Steady! Come on, move!
The juice is ready for the next pan. Keep stirring, don't let it burn.
Bring the next ladle over here. Careful, it's very hot.
Keep the rhythm steady, we have a large order today.
Yes, the texture is perfect on these.
"35 kilograms, Lakshmi. Make a note."
Didn't. In this traditional factory, teams of workers meticulously wrap the Gur blocks using sustainable materials.
We need to move faster. The trucks are ready. Almost done. Secure the ropes tightly. The quality is excellent today. We can offer a good price for the lot.
I will take 50 sacks at that rate.
Once divided, the Jaggery is labelled and sealed, ready for organized display and delivery. Is this the new stock of Jaggery?
Yes, it arrived today. Very fresh. Go ahead, taste it.
It has a rich caramel flavor.
It's delicious. How much for a kilo?
40 rupees seems fair for this block. It is 50 rupees everywhere, brother. All right, we will take 2 kilos then.